Imagine walking through one of the busiest cities on Earth. Millions of people pass through these streets every single day. Cars rush by, trains arrive every few minutes, and thousands of people fill the sidewalks. Yet somehow, you can't find a single piece of trash on the ground. No plastic bottles, no food wrappers, not even overflowing garbage bins.
What's even more surprising is that many public places in Japan don't even have trash cans. So how can a country with over 120 million people remain this unbelievably clean? Is it because Japan spends billions on street cleaners? Or is there a secret hidden deep inside Japanese culture? Today, we're uncovering the real reason why Japan is one of the cleanest countries in the world. And it's probably not what you think. So let's find out the unknown facts today. At first glance, Japan looks just like any other modern country. Towering skyscrapers, crowded train stations, busy shopping districts, and millions of people rushing through their daily lives. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka never seem to slow down. Day and night, the streets are filled with commuters, tourists, office workers, and students. In most parts of the world, places this crowded usually end up covered with litter. Plastic bottles, coffee cups, food wrappers, and overflowing trash bins become part of the city's everyday scenery. But Japan is different. Somehow, despite the endless crowds, the streets remain remarkably clean. Walk for hours through the busiest neighborhoods, and you'll barely find a single piece of trash lying on the ground. The obvious question is, where does it all go? Surprisingly, the answer has very little to do with street cleaners. Instead, the real secret begins long before anyone becomes an adult. It starts in school. While many countries teach children math, science, and history, Japan teaches something else that quietly shapes an entire society: responsibility. In Japanese schools, students don't just study in their classrooms, they clean them too. Every single day, children sweep the floors, wipe their desks, clean the hallways, and even wash the school bathrooms. This daily routine is known as soji, which simply means cleaning. At first, this might sound unusual, but in Japan, cleaning isn't considered a punishment. It's considered part of education. The idea is simple. From an early age, children learn that no job is beneath them. Respect isn't just something they say, it's something they practice every single day. And over time, these small daily habits become lifelong values. That's why years later, those same children grow into adults who naturally keep their streets, parks, train stations, and neighborhoods clean, without anyone telling them to do it. If you think this habit ends when Japanese students leave school, think again. The values they learn in the classroom stay with them for the rest of their lives. That's why, during international football tournaments, Japanese supporters have become known for something that surprises millions of people around the world. After the final whistle, while most fans celebrate or head for the exits, many Japanese supporters choose to stay behind. They begin collecting plastic bottles, paper cups, food containers, and every piece of trash they can find around their seats. No one tells them to do it. No one pays them for it. They simply believe that if they use a place, they should leave it cleaner than they found it. For people watching from other countries, it's an extraordinary act of kindness and discipline. But for the Japanese, it's not a special event or a publicity stunt. It's simply a reflection of the values they've practiced since childhood. Long before the world noticed these moments inside football stadiums, those habits had already become part of everyday life in Japan. Japan's clean streets are not the result of thousands of workers cleaning up after everyone else. They're the result of millions of people choosing not to make a mess in the first place.
That simple difference changes everything. In Japan, cleanliness isn't just about appearance. It's a sign of respect for your neighbors, for public spaces, and for the community you share with others. It's a lesson that begins in childhood, grows through daily habits, and stays with people for the rest of their lives. Of course, no country is perfect, and Japan has its own challenges, like every nation. But when it comes to building a culture of personal responsibility, it has become an example that many countries continue to admire. The next time you see a perfectly clean street in Japan, remember that it isn't the work of a single cleaner or a government program. It's the result of millions of small decisions made by ordinary people every single day.
Sometimes, the strongest societies aren't built by doing extraordinary things. They're built by millions of people doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. If there's one lesson the world can learn from Japan, it's this. Real change doesn't always begin with governments. Sometimes, it begins with the habits of ordinary people. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary and want to discover more fascinating stories from around the world, make sure to subscribe to Timeline Creative. See you in the next episode.